Good evening. Today we will be covering the post-market update dated the 29th of August, 2023. The benchmark indices ended higher for the second consecutive session on August 29th with the Nifty around 19,350. At close, the Sensex was up 79.22 points or 0.12% at 65,075.82, and the Nifty was up 36.70 points, or 0.19% at 19,342.70. After a positive start, the market traded in the tight range amid volatility and ended with a marginal gain. Hindalco Industries, UPL, and Adani Ports were among the top gainers on the Nifty, while the top losers included Bharti Airtel, HUL and Reliance Industries. Talking about the corporate segment, we have GENSOL Engineering share price locked at 5% upper circuit on August 29th, after the company bagged solar EPC projects in Dubai. The company announced its two turnkey maiden international solar engineering, procurement, and construction, solar EPC, projects with the Dubai Government Workshop Warehouse and the Dubai Police. Aggregating to a capacity of 14.08 MWP, these projects have a cumulative order value of 101.6 rupees crore, without taking taxes into account, the company said in a statement. BHARAT Forge shares scaled a 52-week high on August 29th, after Nomura said the stock was trading at an attractive valuation of 15 times the financial year 2025 enterprise value earnings before interest, tax, depreciation, and amortization. The foreign brokerage firm finds the stock attractive keeping in mind the 31% compounded annual growth in earnings per share over financial year 2024 to 26. Shares of INDIABULLS Real Estate gained 5% intraday on August 29th, after the company appointed Atul Chandra as the Chief Operating Officer with effect from August 28th. Chandra is the Senior Vice President of the company. He joined INDIABULLS Real Estate Limited as a Senior Vice President in April 2021, and holds a bachelor's degree in commerce from Jiwaji University, Gwalior. He is a qualified chartered accountant and is an associate member of the Institute of Chartered Accountants of India, the company said in a regulatory filing on the Bombay Stock Exchange. The share price of SJVN rallied 3% to hit a 52-week high of 63.80 rupees on August 29th, after the company's wholly owned subsidiary received the letter of awards from Assam Power Development Corporation Limited. The company's subsidiary SJVN Green Energy has received letter of awards for 3 solar power projects of cumulative capacity 320 megawatts. These 3 solar power projects will be developed on build, own, and operate basis, and are expected to generate cumulative 628 MUs in the first year, and the cumulative energy generation over a period of 25 years would be about 14,591 MUs. The projects shall be commissioned in a period of 18 months from the date of signing of power purchase agreements, and expected to be commissioned by March 2025. Shares of GOKALDAS Exports opened 10% higher at 676.55 at open on August 29th, a day after it entered into a deal to acquire Dubai-based Atraco Group. The stock was locked at 20% in the upper circuit to 735.35, up from yesterday's close. The equity value of the deal being done through GOKALDAS Exports subsidiaries is $55 million, and will be funded by a mix of debt and internal accruals. Atraco Group is a leading manufacturer of apparel with a strong market position with customer relationships across US and Europe. The transaction is expected to be closed by Q3 financial year 2024. Shares of P&G Hygiene and Healthcare rose over 1% in early trade, and hit a 52-week high of 16,600 rupees on August 29th, as the company reported a sharp threefold rise in its net profit for the April-June quarter, while also impressing analysts with a strong margin improvement. P&G Hygiene and Healthcare, which follows the July-June financial year, reported a bottom line of 151.24 rupees crore for the June quarter as against 42.55 rupees crore recorded a year back. PG ELECTROPLAST shares were up 8% on August 29th after the company announced raising 500 rupees crore through QIP. The floor price for the qualified institutional placement is set at 1,641.09 rupees per share, The QIP proceeds will be utilized for funding capex as well as working capital. The indicative issue price of 1,560 rupees per share is at a discount of up to 13% to its last closing price. Implied dilution from this QIP is likely to be 14% of the company's current outstanding equity. Based on the company's June quarter shareholding pattern, promoters of the company held 61.2% stake. GOKALDAS Exports Limited in daily time frame is trading around 735.35 points with a change of 20% and is trading with a net volume of around 3.739 million shares. The share price is trading above its moving average 610.90, which is a good indication for the stock. While shares are trading with a relative strength index of around 87.58. Krishna Defence and Allied Industries Limited in daily time frame is trading around 260.30 points with a change of 19.98% and is trading with a net volume of around 314,000 shares. The share price is trading above its moving average 228.55, which is a good indication for the stock. While shares are trading with a relative strength index of around 77.61. Aristo Biotech and Life Science Limited in daily time frame is trading around 92.80 points with a change of 19.97% and is trading with a net volume of around 355.2 thousand shares. The share price is trading above its moving average 78, which is a good indication for the stock. While shares are trading with a relative strength index of around 84.37. For stocks to watch, we have Laurus Labs looks good on current market price of 391. It can be bought at 392 rupees, keeping target of 400 rupees with stop loss of 383. You can contact us from the details mentioned on the screen via a call, WhatsApp, or email. Thank you for listening the video to the end. Please do like, share, and subscribe the video for the latest updates in the market.